Hello guys, ako na sad ni kuan na sad ta. Kani ang part 2. Kani ang blush, kani og lipstick, kani bulbos. Na tagak, ang tagak daw. Oh, natagak na sad. Ay, kani di ay. You are Villar. Oh, it's my auntie. Jill. So, this is where and this is mine, and this is my mom's, and this is my stuffed toy, a liver squat. You love a liver squats, but I cannot because it's about me from shorts, and I cannot video with a liver squat. Maybe video or shorts, I'll make stuffed toy. Bye! Sige na ha. School na karon ang mga school.